We all know Taj Mahal was built for his wife Mumtaz. But wait, what if I say there is one tomb which was built in the love of his deer? Yes, deer. Do you know where it is and who built it? Let me tell you in just 1 minute.
In the heart of Sheikhupura, Hiran Minar exists as a memory of Emperor Jahangir's affection with his pet deer. The Deer Tower is an early 16th century Mughal era complex in Punjab. The tomb was built to honor the memory of Emperor Jahangir's beloved deer, which was very dear to him. His name was Hansraj. The deer is buried down the Minar, and next to it, it's a beautiful fort with captivating artwork. If you love animals,
then I will suggest you to
come and visit here because Mughals have left a great example of love which amazes us and everyone who visits these places even after centuries.